Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a PDF file into Google Sheets. We'll convert the PDF, upload it to Google Drive, and then bring it straight into Sheets. I'll be using a simple table in this example, but the method works for more complex PDFs too, as long as the file contains clear data points or tables. To start, we need to convert the PDF into a CSV file. Open a new browser tab and type PDF to CSV. You'll see plenty of online converters. I'm using Zamzar.com for this example, but any reliable converter works. Open one of the sites, click Choose Files, select your PDF, and upload it. Make sure the output format is set to CSV, then click Convert Now. The site will process the PDF, and once it's done, download your converted CSV file. Now we need to upload this CSV into Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets, you can search for it on Google, or click the 9-dot menu in the top right corner and select Sheets from the list. Once you're inside Sheets, go to File, then Import. Select the Upload tab, click Browse, and locate your downloaded CSV file. Open it and Google Sheets will display import options. Keep the settings on automatic detection, choose where you want the data to appear, and then click Import Data. Your PDF table is now successfully imported into Google Sheets, neatly formatted and ready to edit or analyze. I hope this tutorial helped you.